Now we continue. Kenya will transition to a quality-based cane payment system where earnings will be determined by the sugar content and quality of cane delivered, as opposed to the tonnage delivered. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says the change is critical to addressing the country's chronic cane shortages, which have left many factories operating below capacity.
Preparing for one of its most significant shifts in decades, from paying farmers by cane weight to the quality-based payment system. The government says the new system will reward productivity and discourage the widespread planting of low-yield, poor-quality cane.
We have tasked the factories to start engaging the cane growers themselves so that we are able to transit to varieties that are grow in shorter periods, but also are better quality than what we currently have.
However, making the switch will require a complete overhaul of existing sugar varieties, as 97% of the cane currently grown in the country is outdated and unsuitable for the new system. As a result, the government says introducing high-yielding, drought and disease-resistant varieties will demand major investments in research, seed multiplication and distribution, a task that will be financed in part by the newly reinstated Sugar Development Levy, which is charged at a rate of 4%.
The estimate that we have as a ministry is actually something like 32 billion shillings that must be infused into the industry in order to transform ourselves from where we are to full capacity and with better variety.
If successful, the shift is expected to increase farmer incomes, improve efficiency in milling, and stabilize the sugar market in the long term. However, the Ministry of Agriculture has not indicated when the new payment regime will start and how it will be maintained. Ndutamo Kami for Lunchtime News.